Hey guys, Brian Mancuso, Getac. It's nighttime. I got my Getac laptop out, right? We're on patrol. We got a Getac tablet. It's dark, right? Dark neighborhood, maybe some Christmas lights. But how do you give an officer some more visibility at nighttime? So here at Getac, we tried to partner and use the most out of our equipment. So let me show you how I'm going to take my Getac computer, and now I've got the ability to see night to day, right? This is thermal imaging. This is by Nightride. So everybody's seen the movie Terminator. I see everything, right, as he drives around. So theoretically, could I turn my headlights out and drive around with this? Yes. But you can see that I can easily, as I'm driving around, and it allows me to also switch through the different color palettes, right? So white being hot, right? You can change the different, you can make it different colors. So you can see here's a car coming up here. Let's see if he turns off or not. Oh, he is. Yep, you can see his brakes right there, red, right? So you can see that what you're doing is you're giving officers visibility to make decisions. Or let's say they're trying to look for somebody. My neighbor is a Latha police officer. They were trying to find somebody had beat up somebody with a pipe and threw it out. So it could give a different heat signature for the item they're looking for. If you're doing a car stop, you can see if somebody is drinking or dumping booze or throwing drugs out the window. You can see items going out. The other thing that I when we did some of the testing is I've actually seen that you can show people that have a hidden weapon. So if as long as they get outside and they've got a jacket or shirt on, it can do a different heat signature, so you can see there's some type of potential item underneath their jacket. So that's just one of the other cool things. Again, this is Nightride. This is one of the Getac partners that we've been working with. I showed these guys when we were at the our FIFA event in Kansas City. They were in IACP and used Getac equipment to show this. So again, and what we're doing right here is they've got a different module. This one is one that snaps on my spotlight, but they got ones that can go on the grill. They got ones that go on the hood. There's a 360 one if you want to see an all-around direction. You can see that with the Nightride. But it's again, this is about making officers safer. Now, your first thought is this is only good for night. Well, not exactly. So it will show your colors and your heat in daytime too. So you can actually see if somebody's, like, you can see footsteps. They have one that you can unhook off, and the officer can carry around if they're trying to search for somebody. So you can see the people's brakes going by as they drive by. But it's really cool information. Again, what are we trying to do here? I'm trying to give officers information to make decisions to keep them safe. So, yeah, let me know what your thoughts are on this. This is just a great technology. I like partnering with companies like Nightride that are trying to keep officers safe, give people more information to make decisions. Have a good day.